Welcome to Howdy Reviews. I am following up on the Ryobi 40-volt brushless whisper snowblower following a wet snow. We got 3 to 4 inches of snow followed by rain, so this is a heavy load. I'm starting out at low auger speed with the chute angle forward to clear from the garage through the turnaround space. As I back up, we can see the blower is getting down close to the surface. Now for the real reason I got this blower, the front sidewalk. There's just no way to use the tractor blower or scoop on this walk. The Ryobi Whisper really isn't very loud. The auger only runs when the bale is held on the handle, just like you have for the blade on a lawnmower. This is a single-stage blower and not self-propelled, so I am glad for its light weight. You have to push it into the snow fast enough so it has enough snow to throw. I have the chute angled down a bit so it only throws the snow a few feet. The chute rotation control on the handle is really handy as you can change direction on the go. Now I switch to high auger speed for the second pass. Of course I have to push faster to feed the auger enough snow to throw properly. You can see how well it is clearing down to the surface. It is also throwing the snow further. The walk looks great, and I'm really happy with the job this blower is doing in this heavy wet snow. But what about more of this parking area? Normally I would do this with a tractor, but wanted to see how well this small blower could handle it. At high auger speed, it is no problem at all. I set the chute to maximum vertical to take on the next challenge, about 120 feet of driveway. Well, maximum vertical isn't working out real well. It throws the snow high, but not very far, especially if you don't push fast enough. This might work great if you had dry snow and some wind to carry it away. No, a single-stage auger is not made for grinding up the icebergs pushed up by the road plow. These froze before I got to them, although with some persistence, it does gnaw away at them. I reset the chute height to 2 notches off vertical, and found that works well in this wet snow. It was throwing 10 to 15 feet when I kept enough snow flowing for it to work well. With the snow only 3 inches deep, I had to walk fast to keep enough in the auger to throw properly at higher auger speed. It may have worked easier on me if I had changed back to slow auger speed, but I did not think of that at the time. Some of the road plow snow was just deep and wet. It took some pushing to get through it, but the blower tossed it away with no problem. I have no concern that the blower will be able to handle deeper snows with ease. I am really happy with the job this light single-stage blower did. It handled a bigger area than I anticipated, and the battery still showed 2 of 4 lights charge. My blower came with a coupon for a free fast charger, and I wanted to compare that to a fast dual charger I already had. We started out blinking on the second light. 20 minutes later, they are both on the third light. 1 hour 9 minutes later, they are both on the fourth light. 1 hour 35 minutes later, I found both 7.5 amp hour batteries were fully charged. It would have been faster, but I was not checking frequently. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, please give us a thumbs up, as it really helps us to help others. And subscribe to see what else we may get up to. Here are some other videos you may find interesting.